Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change time in Assassin's Creed Shadows. Alright, let's begin. When you open your map, you will notice an option in the top right corner to change the season, but unfortunately, there is no direct feature to switch between day and night. Unlike games such as The Witcher, where you can use a meditation mechanic to change the time of day instantly, Assassin's Creed Shadows does not include a dedicated option for this. To change the time, the only current methods are to continue playing missions or fast travel between locations. Completing quests or teleporting to a new area often advances the in-game clock, effectively shifting between day and night. While this isn't the most convenient option, it is currently the only way to control the time cycle in the game. If Ubisoft adds a proper time-changing feature in future updates, it will make managing time-dependent abilities and gear much easier, similar to the meditation feature in other RPGs. So that's basically how you can change time in Assassin's Creed Shadows. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.